It is now 100 years since St. Francis Nsambya Hospital Training School was started by Mother Kevin, a Franciscan missionary sister from Waliland, who started an enrolled midwifery school to develop staff that would help her handle the many obstetrical problems that faced mothers and their unborn children. At that time, under the stewardship of the Catholic Church, the school has trained thousands of professionals in the disciplines of nursing, midwifery, and laboratory technicians. This Wednesday, the school passed out a total of 757 graduates. The First Lady and Minister of Education and Sports, in a speech delivered by her Junior Minister of State for Primary Education, Dr. Joyce Moriko, thanked the Catholic Church for partnering with the government in training health workers.
I appreciate the effort you made, that you've put in place to control the pandemic spread, both as an individual and as an institution. It is one thing for the government to put in place standard operating procedures for COVID prevention, and it is another thing for schools to abide by these standards.
Mrs. Museveni urged graduates to save lives with honesty and professionalism.
And I now challenge you to go to the next phase, to apply the knowledge and the skills in the world of work, to improve the health status of Ugandans, and to save lives. Ensure that you practice what you have learned with honesty and professionalism.
On her behalf as a medical professional, the State Minister for Primary Education, Dr. Joyce Moriko, cautioned health workers against facilitating acts of terminating life God has created.
Pregnancy, in the sense that very many people may think the ultimate solution is to do abortion. Many may think the ultimate solution is to provide contraceptive for those young girls. I want to caution you, our dear midwives. You are at that fire. You stand that challenge to remove that unborn child. I want to caution you, do not be that small God to terminate the life that God has given. Be a role model. Hold the profession with integrity.
The principal of St. Francis Hospital Nsambya Training School, Sister Stella Josephine Namatovu, said despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, the school registered 98% pass rate to become among the best in the December 2020 and March 2021 examinations.
It was never easy adapting the new norm of masking, social distancing, and being confined at school. I thank the graduates for their cooperation, which made it possible for all of us to reach the end successfully. And at this moment, I wish to report that we achieved a 98% pass rate, and our school was one of the best schools in the recent examinations.
Earlier, the ceremony was blessed with Mass, led by Bishop Anthony Zwa of Kinda Mityana Diocese and the chairperson of the Uganda Episcopal Conference, Bernard Higa, UBC News.